This is Canada. Maple syrup in my cabin, say, ay. Kick your ass on hockey season, ay. That'll teach me riding horses, say. Yeah, this is Canada. Ay. Furry woolen critters in our zone. Ay. We got the best weed ever grown. Ay. We got the best bacon ever known. Ay. Rocky Mountain air is so fresh and nice. Northern lights in the sky. Ay. Ay. Niagara Falls from our side. Yeah, we don't allow no DUI. Great Lakes all summer. Gordon Lightfoot, Drake and Gretzky. We say sorry a lot. Polite and proud, why not? Beavers building dams. Curling's how we jam. Snow bunny so sexy. Milk snow with that booty. Ay, we say that all day. Ay, friendly folks all the way. Okay, this is Canada. Maple syrup and